Hi, my name's Jacob. I'm very proud to present to you today the result of 22 months of development and testing. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you WaveKey. We began developing WaveKey in June 2019. Our goal was to turn our products into the most reliable, fastest, and secure on the market. The result? The patented WaveKey technology. Reliability, comfort, and a modern approach are the keys to the satisfaction of our users. Compared to other systems, our technology is the only 100% successful in allowing access to an authorized user. The result? A rapid increase in comfort. The absolute standard for us is a very consistent testing process. Before releasing WaveKey, we tested it in our own buildings. Our 120 employees tested the system at full capacity since August 2020. WaveKey technology is the fastest on the current mobile access market. This is because of a sophisticated system of pre-authorization of mobile devices while maintaining security. The user just then needs to lightly touch the reader, even with just your elbow if your hands are full. Thanks to its intelligent algorithms, we consider WaveKey to be the safest platform on the market. They recognize where the device is located, whether it's at rest, whether it's moving towards the door or away. For 2N, cybersecurity is our #1 priority. Careful testing of each product before its official launch is standard. Reliable security is at the same level as electronic banking. 2N has always brought innovative, revolutionary solutions. WaveKey is one of them. For more information, visit 2n.cz or contact sales at 2n.cz.